Here is the main screen of our software. You can observe all the tiles related to all the aspects of a school. A complete management software, which is customized as per the user interest. Let us see an overview of these tiles before going into the details. The main screen of our software. Dashboard. It allows you to access the most important summarized information, and reports regarding attendance, school fees, etc. Student management. It maintains the record of student admission, bulk upload of student data and complete information about the student. Staff management. You can manage all your teaching and non-teaching staff. Teaching staff may include teachers and junior lecturers, etc., and non-teaching staff may include principal, admin, accountant, etc. Academics. Here, you can manage all your classes from KG to 10th followed by sections like A, B, C, and also your academic subjects. Examinations. It can allow you to add and manage exams like formative assessment and essay, summative assessment. It also generates progress reports based on the marks a student can get. You can customize the progress report in rich graphical chart. Attendance. You can mark student attendance as well as staff attendance, and can generate reports. Timetable. It helps in preparing multiple customized timetables for class and teacher as well. ID cards. It generates professional-looking ID cards for students and staff. Finance. It manages all your school financial operations like fee collection, expenses and petty cash book. Finance reports. It provides an insight on financial reports like managing income and expenditures. Transport management. This will give access to manage bus routes, route timings, view passengers, seats availability and generating reports. Library. This will allow you to manage bookshelf, add a book, book issue or return, book status and generate PDF reports. Hostel. Here, you can add or view rooms, check bed availability, view students, and generate hostel PDF reports. Send SMS. This allows you to send SMS of a student information or any school notification to the parent's mobile like everyday attendance report, marks, fee dues, events etc. Also, notifications can be sent to the teacher's mobile on any notification. SMS settings. Here, you can add and update all SMS templates and settings. Settings. This can manage your settings of all applications.